Welcome to Home But Not Alone, a family connection series brought to you weekly by the Vermont Child Welfare Training Partnership. Don't obsess about the mess. Presented by Sharon O'Neill, training specialist. Art is important for all children. Let's go over some reasons why. Helps to develop gross and fine motor skills. Develops language skills as a child talks with you about what they made. Brings joy and happiness. Helps to express emotions. Builds creativity skills and expression. Builds confidence and competence as you grow your talent. Helps to relieve stress. And when you do it together, you are building relationship. Relationship is the foundation of healing. You are a great caregiver. So you might be asking, why do I avoid making art with the kids that I care for? That's okay. It really is. Let's figure it out together. I'm so glad that you joined me.